Here I have UMIDIGI A3, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself pin, pattern or any other screen lock method and you unfortunately forget it. So what you have to do in this kind of miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds like this. After this kind of menu appears, you have to use volume up key to navigate through this menu and volume down key to select options, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. When you're in recovery mode, here you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it by selecting yes. After you see the message data wipe complete, you have to select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.